So I'm here with my wife's 2013 Volvo S60 all-wheel drive T5, and it has the HID headlamps, as you will know from if you have this big ball unit in there. It also is active and it turns when you turn the wheel. I need to change that HID. Over time, they dim or they could completely go out too, but you have to change the bulbs. Now, I went online and you can pay like 62 bucks for a Phillips bulb that goes in there for each side. So $120 roughly. Or you can go on Amazon and there's a lot of generic ones. There's this company, RCP, they had a lot of reviews. We're gonna see how this works. And for your Volvo S60, from what I can tell, it's a D3S unit. I got the 6000K bulbs. They have up to 8000, but figure that's just way too blue bright. Don't want that. Don't want to blind people. I know I hate that when I'm driving. So how you get this out? It's actually not that hard. You pull up on these tabs right here. Just the plastic, they come out. And that one. So there's two. See if I can do this with one hand. But basically, it will. There's like a pin back there. So just slide that forward. What's getting caught? There's the rubber going around, or plastic housing. I guess that's still plastic. Once you get this out, and you can set it up like that, or you can disconnect it if you really want to right there. Not that hard if you really want to, but it can set up on the car like this. And there is 1, 2, 3, 4, and there are the Torx bit, and it's a T20. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove those now. And it has a foam gasket on it, but it comes right off. No dirt in there, which how it should be. So that's sealing good. And here you go, right here. Here it is. So this is Osram brand. If you want to replace this with the same brand, and it is a D3S, that's good. 35 watt, made in Germany. So if you want that same brand, you can get that same brand. This is a 2013 car. It's lasted a long time. You have this clip on the bottom. I'll have to figure out how that comes off. I think you just push that. I don't know. I'll have to do that off camera. Set you guys down. There we go. So yeah, you just squeeze in the little thin piece of metal. You can use your fingernail to kind of help you on the top to get it out of that groove. And then that just came off like that. I pulled this off, and how you pull that clip off is you just push in. You'll understand when you see it. This plastic thing over here, hopefully you guys can see that. I just push down on that. All you have to do now is you pull this metal box out, and there's the bulb. So you twist that plastic counterclockwise to unlock it. It unlocks it from this plastic base, and then you can just pull it out, pull straight out. Not too hard once you know. Now in the RCP box, I already opened it, but this is how it looks. They give you a set of gloves, which you'll want so you don't want to touch the bulbs because oils from your fingers can shorten the lifespan. Be careful pulling it out. They put some foam on it, but I don't think you really need the gloves because you have this huge box to hold on to. So that's what it says on the back. I'm going to keep the original just in case one of these do blow, being so cheap. I can just put that back in really easy, at least have some light until I'll probably then order a better set if that's the case, probably that same brand, or at least the Phillips. So I'll take off that foam, throw that on the ground. We know that connector needs to go to the bottom. So just slide it right on in, lightly push. That went in easy. Lock it by twisting that black piece clockwise. Take the connector, slide it on, slide it up, and it's connected. That should be good. And now if I want to test before putting it back together, oh, it came on, so I know it works. You're not going to see how bright it is, but it does seem brighter than that one. I'm going to close garage, so obviously I don't want the car running more than a few seconds. Take this cover, put it back on, like so. The gasket kind of holds it there, and simply put it back together. And be gentle if you're using something like this. So literally get it back together, and it's probably one of the easiest bulbs to ever change ever. Key is getting it back into here. I'm just kind of wiggling it around. There we go. Back in. Take these, you can lube these up if you want. Different lengths, which I did not notice. I think that's the shorter one. There we go. Oh, it does. It sets in crooked. I didn't notice that when I took it out. So if you're wondering, like, why is that not going straight in? It does go on an angle. Pretty much it. I'll do the other side here, and we'll take a quick look at how bright they are. Okay, I literally changed that one out, and even with editing out me doing this one, it literally took 2 minutes. That's how long it took. So without filming, this is a 2-minute process. That's how easy. Again, Osram is the brand used out of Germany, and I'm going to keep these just in case one of these cheap ones decide to go tits up. Then, I can just toss one in until another set or something comes in. So let's take a look at how bright this is or is not. What do you guys think? I think that's pretty good, pretty bright, a lot brighter than the other ones. What do you guys think? That is a lot brighter than the old ones, which I couldn't really show you. It's hard to show lights. We're back to operating now. And there we have it. A 2013 Volvo S60 T5 all-wheel drive, even though all that doesn't really matter. Replacing the HIDs, it's not that hard. You would think it would be very hard, but it's actually probably one of the easier cars I've ever replaced a headlight bulb on. Not a big deal. Too bad the bulbs cost a lot of money, although I'll put a link to the RCP ones on Amazon. With tax, it was like 28 and some odd cents, and that's not bad at all for a pair. If I want to get the better ones like Philips, GE, Osram, I think they all run in the $60, $70 a bulb per bulb. And that's pretty steep for a dang bulb. It's not that expensive to manufacture these, but they get away charging it just because, well, they can. So anyways, hopefully this helped you out. Please like, subscribe, and check out my other videos. Have a good one. Bye.